Next problem, if the foot of the perpendicular from 1 comma 2 comma 3 to a plane is 0 1 1, find the equation of the plane. Okay, so that is given. So let us take one plane like this in parallelogram shape. So this plane is represented by pi. So given the foot of the perpendicular from this point to the plane is 0 1 1. Okay, so let us take one point here 1 comma 2 comma 3. Let us say this is P. From this point we can draw a perpendicular like this to the plane. So it is perpendicular. Okay, this symbol represents it is perpendicular to the plane. Okay, so here we have to draw a perpendicular from this point to this point. Okay, so this point is treated as foot of the perpendicular. This is the foot of this perpendicular. Let us say this point is taken as Q and this is given as 0 1 1. Okay, so if this is the foot of this perpendicular, that means the plane contains this point. Okay, so and we have to find the equation of the plane here. So let us see solution. Given 0 comma 1 comma 1 is the foot of the perpendicular. Foot of the perpendicular from 1 comma 2 comma 3. 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay. Therefore, PQ is the normal. PQ is the normal to the plane pi. Okay, this line PQ behaves as the normal to the plane. Okay, so therefore let P is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 and Q is equal to 0 comma 1 comma 1. Let us say this is x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2. DRs of normal. DRs of normal. These are represented by ABC, which is equal to x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Okay, so this is x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2. So x2 minus x1 means 0 minus 1. Therefore, ABC is equal to 0 minus 1 means minus 1. Y2 minus y1, 1 minus 2 means minus 1. Z2 minus Z1, 1 minus 3 means minus 2 we get. Okay, so these are the DRs of normal. And our plane is containing this point Q 0 1 1. Okay, therefore equation of plane of a plane is, the formula is A into x minus x1 plus B into y minus y1 plus C into z minus z1 is equal to 0. Here ABC are the DRs of normal and x1, y1, z1 is the point which contain in our plane. Okay, so this is the point x1, y1, z1 with respect to this formula. So let us substitute. So A means minus 1 into x minus x1 means 0 plus B means minus 1 into y minus y1 means 1 plus C means minus 2 into z minus z1 means it is also equal to 1 is equal to 0. So minus 1 into x minus 1 into y minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 into z minus 2z minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so finally multiplying with minus we get the required plane as x plus y plus 2z, here 1 plus 2 plus 3 So multiplying with minus means it is minus 3. So finally x plus y plus 2z minus 3 is the required plane equation. Thank you.